30 minutes.
Yeah, but I want to be almost ready. No.
Agos, where are you going?
The Baguio.
Uy, di ka sa Baguio. Where are you going?
Going to the Baguio.
Going to Baguio.
Ay, nasubig mo.
Dad. Ranzabi. Say hello. Ranza, hello. Bright. We're going to the lion.
Nakita na daw siya ng video.
Going to the lion. Going to the lion. Going to the lion. And then snake and the snake with the fox. And then the fox Bingo! Mom!
Nasaan yung monkey?
I want bigger than the earth.
Huh? King Kong, you want King Kong? Dito, Gus. Opo. Dito. Okay pa. Let's go see the serpent. Yeah. Let's go, let's go.
Can you get that
Baby lion.
Show Mommy Lance.
Ganyan.
Ay, daddy, wag daw yun. Agustin, let's go na. Dad.
Na maghawak sa mga fish. Ayun, ang anak
Look, Alonzo.
Nandito yung
Wow, where's the bird? Anong tuga? Daddy, nauntog siya.
Mommy! Mommy!
Yes.
Ang dami ko
Look
nakikita.
ah!
Ay, oo nga. Show Alonzo. Alonzo, look. Hindi makita ni Alonzo. Wow, that's so big. It's a black palm cockatoo. Ayun. Dada. Look, Lance. Look, Lance. Where's the bird? There. Smile. Dito, Lance. Dito lang, Lance. Goose. Come. Dito, dito. Ayan, ang dami nila. Look, Lance, ang dami. Dito, Lance. Ayun, no bird. Look. Dito lang, Lance. Ow! Huh? Wow! Look, Lance! I know. Sabi, ang kulit nila. Ang kulit ng dalawang bata. You want to see, Lance? Ano, owl. Saan yung bird? Ayun. Say hi to the camera.
There's 3 turtles.
Say hi to you. 4. Say hi, Agustin.
Mag-swimming ka dyan.
Say hi, Alonso. Wow. Say hi. Say hi to the bird. Where's the ducklons? Where's the ducklons? Dali, Lons.
It's Kung Fu Panda's daddy.
Don't your hand. Say hi, Lons. Hi. Say hi. Look, Lons. It's a deer. Wow, it's a deer. Hi, dear. Goose, don't stick out your hand, ha? Baka mabait niya. Hi, dear. Sabi mo, oh, dear. Oh, dear. Lons, look. Hello, oo nga. Dear. Okay, we'll go to the pool. Let's go, Lance. Oh my. Who wants fried chicken? Sabutin ka niya, Goose. Say hi. Lons, what's that, Lons? Say donkey. Monkey.
Makita ko ng monkey!
Paano sabi ng monkey?
Dalawa dapat kayo dyan.
Alonzo, ano sabi? Little monkey, Lons, look. Look, Lons, monkey. Paano monkey? Paano monkey, kuya? Agos, hindi ka pwede magganyan. Hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Do you want bananas? Si Daddy. Oh, do you want bananas? Tiger Lons! Where's the tiger Lons? Monkey. Dad! Natakot. Asaan? Halika, Mommy's holding you. Mommy's holding you. Mommy's holding you. Daddy! Natakot. Ang tiger. Jaguar pala. Dito, Dad, mas malapit. Ron. Katakot. Tingay, Lons. Mommy will hold. Mommy will hold. Hi, Daddy. Ay. Kala ko si Daddy. Ano nangyari, Lons? Lons, say hi. Ah, picture kayo. Goose. Look, Lons, look. Look, come here, come here. Huh? Yeah. Where's Lons? Dito kayo. Wag mag-ano lang. Look, Lons. Horse, nasa yung horse. Ang bilis natin matatapos, mga bata.
Hindi kayo gumagalaw.
Ayan na, gusto mong makita. Boo! Moo! 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 It's a cattle. Careful. Wait for mommy. Let's go, let's go. Alonzo, what's that? Sisipain ko niya. Go to daddy, go to daddy. dito lang. Look, Lons.
Relax lang ha. Relax lang ha.
Hold. Other hand. Smile. Okay, smile.
Straight, stand up straight.
Smile, Goose. Good job. Daddy, samahan kayo. Picture kayo nila, Alonso. Smile kay Daddy. Smile kay Daddy.
Halika lang.
Pipicturean ko lang sila. Okay, smile here. Lanzi. Good job, Kuya. Smile. Okay.
Good.
Galing ni Kuya.
Good, good. Smile.
Okay na po. Thank you po. All speak.
Next.
Yes po. Thank you. Let's go inside. Ang galing mo! Yeah! It's so good!
Lang kayo pawak sa bata.
Why is there ipis? Oh, that's his food. Look, it's a gecko. Look, a goose. It's a gecko. Kita mo?
Yes.
Alonso, look at the laser. Saan butiki? Lon, saan yung butiki? Asan yung butiki? Asan butiki?
Baliktad.
Ba't ngiting-ngiti ka sa amin, anak? Agustina, I'm so proud of you. Was the snake soft?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And so sticky.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my. Mommy, don't. Hmm?
Look, my
What's that?
grandchildren.
You want to take a picture, huh? Dito, Lons.
You want to ride the rhino?
Let's go. Let's go, Goose. Hey, Louie. Ooh. Nababay ka na sa dulo. Oh, di ba nag-ride ka ng horse? Sa Baguio. Nag-walk yan? Wait pa naman ako. Ayan, ikaw mag-feed, oh. Oh, wait lang. Wait lang, kuya. Oh no, bigay mo sa mouth niya, Goose. Silly you. Silly bored na yung lion. Ayan. Wow. Oh, yun. Oh my.
Wow.
Isa kayo sir, bata.
Alam ko.
Ako kailangan nyo kami. Sige lang, kayo ko na lang.
Anja.
Oh!
Hawak ko lang.
Agustin na lang ulit.
Agustin, feed the lion.
Parang buwan niya, parang magkaroon ng lasa doon. Parang mama.
Ah.
Diba nyo?
Ate
Kasi
pa.
para maganda kayo lang yung nakikita sa kanya.
Yay! May isa pa. Pasok na, Gus. Good job.
Coco.
That's Coco. That's
Agus.
Coco.
Lanza.
Yeah! Okay, you can feed now.
All. Hawak mo yung ha. Yung stick mo ha.
Hawak mo mabuti. Hawak mabuti. Grip mo, grip. Grip mo, Goose. Hold it properly. Sige, mag-feed ka. Feed mo, baba mo. Lapit ka. Ikaw lumapit. Ikaw lumapit.
Right na.
Magbabait na sila. Ikaw lumapit, di nila ma-reach. Hindi nila... Huwag mo bibitawan yung stick ka. Lumapit ka, anak.
Sige, baka ba?
Lapit.
Closer.
Move closer, Goose.
Ayan na. Sige,
Goose,
huwag ka na
bigay
gumalaw.
mo.
Huwag ka gumalaw.
Bigay mo, Goose.
Very good.
You have to feed them.